What's up? Seatbelt swap part 2. Alright, so the original way I had it, if you've seen seatbelt part 1 actually, I had the moldings up here, but it was just bending in the middle, it wasn't working. So what I did was I took the edges off the, you can see on that one, took those off of there and just bolted it using the same hardware and whatnot right on there. I put it at an angle because this guy over here used the original one off the 1990. The 89 just didn't fit. I wanted it to, but then I just dremeled the angle out, and it seems to work fine. Gotta wedge it back. I'll figure out the angle on that perfectly a little bit better, but I just dremeled it out. I'll probably end up going another 1/4 of an inch or so. File it down, paint it off, maybe get some brown tape or something, or paint the tape brown or something. I'll have to see what I'll do with that, but for right now it's on there. This obviously fits a hell of a lot better than the 89 because it bowed, but you do have that gap there. There is that gap where the track ran, which can be, I'm gonna figure something out with that. I might fill that with foam, sand it down, and paint it brown. I might just leave it. I might just fill it with some fabric or something. Who knows? I might find something goofy to do with it. Fill it up with an aquarium or something. Have some fish in there. That'd be fun. But yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I also moved the belt from this position up to that one. I used the spacer off of this piece. The inside of that piece is a little spacer. Put that on there, and that fits down in there perfectly. And then yeah, the trimming obviously fits way nicer. So there it is, seatbelt swap part 2. Basically what I did was just move that, got rid of that, put back on the 1990 trim mold, call it a day. So that is gonna work for me. Hope it works for you if you decide to do it.